We're doing a quick, but honestly, really crucial breakdown. Every developer sees ever stop to actually read maintenance interface. We're going to look at the Node.js setup crossroads to exact logic and mechanics presented when you need to tweak, fix, or just completely purge your
Because,
environment.
we've all been there, right?
Setup
You're
wizard,
staring, your cursor is hovering, and you're just
what
wondering, exactly do I need to click here? We know our tools aren't quite right, but the
knowing
real
which
button is actually going to save the day without completely wrecking your current workflow. Okay, let's dive What we have here is the definitive Node.js setup maintenance window. It clearly presents three core options to manage an existing installation: change, repair, or remove. It's a super simple menu on the surface. Implications of each click are vastly different.
1. The installation crossroads. The system recognizes that you're already installed. Critical decision. Just look at the exact prompt from select the operation you wish to perform. The software pauses basically handing complete agency directly back to you. And to make that selection accurately, we really need to decode what each of these paths truly means. Section 2, modifying. Let's move to and see how this builds. Button. The installer explicitly states that change lets you change the way features are. This path is strictly for remodeling. Like if you originally installed Node.js, adding it to your system path, or you missed the core documentation, too. It's for tweaking a perfectly healthy setup, not fixing a broken one.
Section 3, fixing errors with repair.
But what if things are That brings us to the middle path, which serves a distinctly different purpose. Now, what's really interesting about specific language, it says it repairs errors in the most recent installation. Notice the precision explicitly targets only your current active state to identify the structural integrity has failed.
So let's isolate the mechanics of this. What is it actually fixing under the hood? Well, specific pain points: missing files, corrupt files, broken shortcuts, and faulty registry entries. Critical file was accidentally deleted, or maybe a registry key was This repair function acts as a highly targeted strike force to replace those foundational elements. Let's weigh these first two options just to be crystal clear. On one side, change is about modifying the way features are installed. Essentially, on the other side, repair is strictly about fixing missing or corrupt files and errors. It's literally the difference between renovating a room versus calling a plumber because a pipe just burst. They are fundamentally different operations.
Section 4, the remove option. Now, or fixing files just isn't what you need, we pivot to the third and final route. So the crucial point is how brief and stark removes Node.js from your computer. That's it. This is the absolute nuclear option. There's no nuance here, just a from your system, wiping every file, shortcut, and registry key completely clean from the machine. Section 5, making your final. To pull this all together, we've distilled everything into this straightforward and this brilliantly illustrates the three distinct outcomes. Change lets you adjust how features are installed. Repair swoops in to fix errors, missing or corrupt files, shortcuts in the registry. And remove entirely removes the software from your computer. Keeping this mental model totally demystifies that crossroads moment. So the next time you fire up that it's going to pause and hand the agency right back to you. Our understanding of these differences, I'll leave you with this. Which path does your current system actually need you to take today? Make your choice with confidence.